Joe Biden was sworn in as the 46th President of the United States. It's with the end of the 21st day of the term of the former President Donald Trump. However, had issued 17 new executive orders within an hour of the president's appointment to completely overthrow the administration's policies. This is about the steps taken by the new president to affect the United States as well as the world. The first of these rules is for the United States to rejoin World Health Organization with immediate effect. Anthony Fauci, America's top epidemiologist, has been appointed to WHO representative. It has also ordered the United States to rejoin the Paris Agreement, which was withdrawn by Trump. Joe Biden says the world is leading the mission to reduce global warming. Accordingly, the United States to be involved in the protections of forests in the United States as well as forests such as Amazon and Congo. Joe Biden, the new president of the United States, aims to reduce global warming by 2 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, Joe Biden's order is to lift the ban on a list of countries that were banned from entering the United States last season. Accordingly, the situation mainly affects 7 countries. Joe Biden's fourth mandate is to ensure the security of 4 American countries around the world. Accordingly, the order house states that it will identify the threats of friend countries and work with them. This includes developing weakening American-European relations under the Trump regime. Hong Kong, Taiwan, Israel, Japan, India, and Australia have been named as the leading countries. Accordingly, a stronger pro-American coalition is to be formed to meet the challenges. Another order signed by the Joe Biden is to stop the Trump wall that was built by the Trump administration. The 3,000-kilometer long wall was under construction on the American and Mexican borders. Joe Biden has been ordered to suspend the expansion and allow the money to be returned. Another order by Joe Biden to stop unwanted imports from countries like China. Under the US First policy, the United States and its allies will be given priority in purchasing goods for the country. Under this, billions of dollars will be lost to countries like China. Meanwhile, Joe Biden had also signed a special order to eradicate corona from America and the world. The new president says he will launch a 100-day program to eradicate coronavirus from United States. Under this, it has been made compulsory for Americans to wear face masks for 100 days. This includes the allocation of funds against the epidemic as well as deployment of 100,000 health staff. Joe Biden says the United States is also intervening to provide vaccines for countries at high risk of corona. The new president's plans include building a strong American alliance in the world. Its purpose is to bring back countries that were far from the United States last season. The new program is to be implemented on the basis of the new policy that America has "You or Back." Accordingly, Joe Biden considers it his responsibility to prevent threats to American countries. The BBC also stated that the president's intention is to protect the world power. With this, the goal is to boost the US economy again to a significant level. At the same time, the United States is set to pay more attention to all NATO countries, as well as Joe Biden has ordered that all Americans to be treated equally. At the same time, Joe Biden has ordered that all Americans be treated equally, regardless of race. The new president says foreigners staying in the United States should be treated equally as citizens. Accordingly, it has been ordered to register foreigners residing in the United States who have not yet registered. In light of all this, we can conclude that the role of the new president will take America to a better place. So, what do you think about this? Send your ideas and let's talk your problems in comment section. If this video is valuable for you, like the video and share with your friends. Stay safe all and see you again in next interesting video.